it's raining here. As you can see, you know, it's summer in the Limpopo province, but then we can't take so impula. Kalma na kala impula. Say look kunen sama kota uta no rima. It's a just fuck. Pula toto. Ita dabaraga toto. Pula toto. Ita dabaraga toto. Who? Okay guys, Mr. Post is having a lot of fun. Album is out and it looks like it's briefing people, a lot of people, including Prince Rangani. Say blah like this. Matsoga Prince Rangani umesesuna bolona tikatara ne atata title track. So it's no doubt kukula Prince Rangani la kuyena Mr. Post wakwara Rangani ngafuri, meaning maybe Rangani ngabi hit I still mara kwa mina Rangani shapa hit nukuntunuka kuna sunera pongo last year. For me that was a hit. Rangani shapa hit. So but besides the beat itself, I just feel like the album as a whole, there's no musicality in it. I mean, if you listen to the backing, it's not good at all. If you look at the beats, they are trying to emulate the Oshindoka Team Shiriman, you know. They are trying, really trying. But it's not up to scratch. If you listen to the voice I missed the post, my God, gosh, I don't lie to you. But songwriting, Mr. Post is number one. In terms of songwriting, 100%. And I feel like this album, he was struggling to talk. People know me here. I don't know if we're gonna ever finish this recording because everyone wants to greet me. Okay, but he was struggling to. Ben Mayengani was struggling to find someone that was gonna play the music that he wanted, what he liked, and now it looks like Klawu got the jam, but it took him time. So I feel like Mr. Post is in the same space where instrumental-wise it's compromised, but then he has to do what we call over singing to compensate. La kungafika ku onakati beat, la kati instrument akota ku alungisa swona hikuva ayimbelela ngopfu. This album mina over singing for me. It's not musical, and I can say kuri album lenga umesiwa shosho ya Mr. Post ya moyo wa December. It is doing nothing else than to just disturb. He wants to disturb. I don't know who is disturbing, whether he's trying to disturb Ben Mayengani or he's trying to disturb Rajo, or I don't know who else could be in his target. But for me, when I look at the album, I don't see an album laying and enter music. This album is just about beef. If you talk about the beef song itself, guys, Mr. Post that beef. But look, okay, let's talk about it. I'm not gonna go into the deep details about each person that is being beefed there, but I feel like Mr. Post is just too personal. Some of the things maybe could be true, but and stala ku humela ka ti beef total vanhu tala akanyeka beef ya Xitsonga vo makelela susotala va vulavula hi swona, mara ka Mr. Post ku tala nga ri ku na susotala leswi nga swi vulavula as if i ntiyiso, and people are saying a fana nga swi vulangi leswiya, and then mina I'm like a fana nga swi vulangi njhani, because ni vurile mina ni ku beefing someone and using people is dangerous, you know, because especially if you're gonna use your kids, friends, because except the way I like the jigat camera, Mr. Post the beefer everything, and he's doing exactly that, because people Mr. Post are going to be beefer and he's doing exactly that. So he's delivering. Fortunately enough, one by the album and Mr. Post in so people are dancing to his album, and he's getting a lot of fans. Something that Ben Mayengani did as well. Look, TS Vele, it was a little sketchy, but then he went on and built his own stable and built his own image and built his own name alone, stand alone, and it's going to work. It will take time, but he will find a lot of people. Let's remember, guys, ka music wa Gaza kumbe ka music wa Xitsonga ku tirha ngopfu beef. if you are beefing someone, people will start to love you. I can bet my ass right now, Mr. Post is receiving a lot of fans, a lot of support because of this album. Look, I'm going musically, the album I Mara, Mr. Post is going to garner a lot of people because people like beef. So Mr. Post also is delivering music, guys. And music, I mean, production wise, there was not much done. Honestly speaking, that I can say it's musical, and then I can say it's something that I'll say music wise, he's trying to please his fans. Mr. Post is just here to destroy. He just want to destroy, and he is destroying because for the longest time in December I do album but this time around things have changed. We're hearing 3 albums right now: Mr. Post, Ben Mayengani, and Dr. Joe Shiriman. So I feel like TS I find it Mr. Post because Mr. Post did disturb album Ben Mayengani. For the longest time, we know I could trend up Ben Mayengani, but right now, Mr. Post did disturb. Let's just make a chance. Album Dr. Joe Shiriman I will Gaza. So as much as TS Mr. Post, TS, honestly, they should be thanking Mr. Post right now because Mr. Post is delivering and is disturbing, and it's working because he's getting a lot of people. Now he's getting a lot of people, a lot of fans. So I look make the support to Amana, you know. I'm just not sure in terms of music business, this way is the way to go. I don't think beef is the way to go because if you look at the whole album, it's about beef. It's about beefing. It's about beefing this and this and this. Other than that, there's nothing. So I remember the Post. You can say lyrically, songwriting, 100%. But then when it comes to beats, vocally, he's singing, but his voice is not done well, you know. So it's an album that is there, but I don't think there's any music thing we can get from it other than the beef, which the beef is delivering. People are talking about, hey, beef is Jan. So Mr. Post, we're not sure if it's true or not. Because you know Mr. Post that so the funny thing about this thing which is very ironic, and I'm not sure if she was aware, you know, because record that album if we come to the breaking mara hey can buy this so I don't think people should be throwing a lot of stones. I don't think it was their fault. You know, music business, the work with the backing vocals, so and the intention to with the album, you can the backing vocals. Out the TV when we've get the backing vocals. So yeah. So that's all I had for you guys. For me today, like if you're new to the channel, please do so, hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell to make sure that whenever we do our videos, you're not left behind. Like salute,